Welcome guys, Creamball back again with another reaction video. Today we'll check out Megan Thee Stallion Don't Stop feat Young Thug. You know what? Sometime when I'm gonna react to a Megan Thee Stallion video, I have to be aware of what I might encounter. So I don't know, bro. I'm just gonna prepare myself. Damn, I do this dripping, bruh.
Real hot girl shit.
Oh my god.
Got a stank ass walk and a reckless ass mouth. And my shit so tight. When we fuck, my pussy talk. I don't even say what's up.
Okay.
I just tell him what I want. Cause I got another nigga that's gonna do it if he don't.
Wait, so she got wait. So she ever do that already. But if he doesn't do it good, she got another nigga. That means she literally cheated on my dude, bro. That's what she's saying. That's crazy.
Too bad, but you too good. When he say fuck me, I tell him fuck me good. Chase these niggas, I wish I would. Bad bitch like me, hoes wish they could. She's casper to me, I need glasses to see. And I'm all with a daddy, she a bastard to me. You ain't fucking him right, bitch, pass him to me. Real niggas love me from the H to the D. Don't stop, pop that cat, just like that, shake that shit, work it, bitch. Don't stop, pop that cat, just like that, shake that shit, work it, bitch. Just for the day.
I'm not gonna lie, I like the visuals, but the visuals give me Alice in Wonderland vibes. I like the visual of that. Pretty cool idea. I'm not gonna, you know one thing, Megan Thee Stallion have some pretty cool videos. I have to give her that, even though they have the sexual appeal to it, but the concept are sometimes very good. Oh, it's Sister Anne, dude. I didn't even realize that I love this movie. Dude, and Young Thug actually got the Michael Jackson red jacket on, the famous Michael Jackson red jacket, plus he's doing the Edward Scissorhands. That's crazy. Man, it's unbelievable that Michael Jackson made his jacket famous. And the suits, bruh. I wonder how long it takes to actually make these videos. The different hairstyles. She's gonna blow him like AC. You know what? I'm done, bruh. Shit. Dude, imagine, you know what? I'm gonna just leave everything to the imagination. I'm picturing something have to do with ice. I have to say nothing more.
Like IT, lick me till I scream. Twist his tongue like I mean. My body so out of this world. Change my act name to Astro Girl. People sound way just like that.
Yo, that cat is getting some. That cat is getting some. The cat.
Just like that, shake that shit, work it, bitch. Don't stop, pop that cat, just like that, shake that shit, work it, bitch.
I'm not gonna lie, our videos are pretty kind of creative in our way with the different concepts. I think that room is probably gonna be the Beetlejuice. I'm just saying, I don't really sure, but that's the way she does her videos with different concepts in it. It's pretty creative, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna give her that, man. Alright guys, that's the end of the reaction video to Megan Thee Stallion Don't Stop feat Young Thug. I have to remind myself that I'm gonna prepare mentally for Megan Thee Stallion and Cardi B. When you're gonna watch their video, you have to mentally prepare for anything to happen because their videos are always crazy. Alright guys, so this is the end of the reaction video. Peace out. Enough love. Why did I do that?